if you want to enter and exit safe mode on your Google Pixel 2a, so first of all, we are to summon our power off menu by any means possible. To find your most comfortable way, I'll do it through quick settings. Now locate your power off and let's hold our finger on our power off. So here is your reboot a save mode and press OK. Now give your phone some time to be rebooted, and it's gonna be rebooted in the safe mode. Great, so we can understand that we are in a safe mode by this safe mode sign at the bottom. So let's use our pen. Great, and there we are. So in the safe mode, there is no third-party apps and only your clean Android. So to get out of it and to log in into your basic Android mode, once again summon your power off menu and press restart or power off. It doesn't really matter, your phone is gonna be booted up in your normal mode anyways, and basically that is it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.